How to change incoming call vibration pattern on Samsung Galaxy device. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy S series or A series or even the M series and I want to change your vibration pattern for incoming calls, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change incoming call vibration pattern on Samsung, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Once open the settings app, open the settings page, scroll down the settings page, then locate and click on sounds and vibration. Then while on the sounds and vibration page, you want to scroll down the page and click on notification vibration. Once you click on that, here you want to select your vibration pattern under notification vibration intensity. Now if you want to change your call vibration intensity, locate call vibration and click on that. Then here, if your Samsung device is a dual SIM device, then you have the two SIMs available here. Now, locate silent, and under silent you see the vibration pattern you can choose or set your Samsung phone vibration patterns to. Then you need to repeat this on both SIMs to be able to change the vibration pattern for both SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So that's basically how to change incoming call vibration pattern on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.